Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct E, and I'm gonna show you how to change or adjust the daily goals for the activities on this watch. If you want to change the daily goals on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to open the Garmin Connect application on our phone that is paired with our watch. Okay, once the application opens, you should see the home page. And here what we need to do is to tap on More, Activities, and right here we have steps, floors, intensity, minutes, and we can tap on steps. And if you want to change the goal for the steps, we need to tap on More Options icon in the top right corner, tap on Edit Goal, and now we can edit the goal to our liking. And then tap on Save. We can do the same for the floors. So we have floors, we can tap on Edit Goal. And the intensity minutes. We can edit goal and change it to something else. And once you're done, go to the home page, sync the devices together by tapping on this icon. And after the device syncs up, or rather watch with your phone, they sync up together, you should see the goals update. For example, the steps are already updated, which means it is working. And that's how you change the daily activity goals for this watch, or rather on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.